Good morning, dear students. Let's try to make letter U in air. Let's do it once again. Okay. I'll tell you a story on sound A. On a windy day, the child takes out his kite to fly in the sky. As the kite goes up, the child screams, ah, 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 up it goes. Another child gets his toy aeroplane and flies it, saying, ah, 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 it goes. And together they say, ah, 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 it goes. So the sound of U is ah. Now, let me play rhyme for you. Now see the pictures which begin with sound a. Umbrella, under, uncle. Now let's make sentences. This is my umbrella. Teddy bear is under the table. My uncle is a doctor. Let's repeat. This is my umbrella. Teddy bear is under the table. My uncle is a doctor. Now, you should try some more words which begin with a and make sentences on them. Try it as much as you can. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day ahead. Stay blessed.